everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Today is Side Dish Saturday. So today's side dish is going to be potatoes O'Brien. You literally just buy these in the package and just cook them up with some salt and pepper. So I sprinkle a bunch of them out here, just like this, on this wire basket. A little bit messy, I'm getting them all over the place, but that's me. Then I take some salt. And some black pepper. Then I throw this in the oven. I have it all set to run and to preheat for 25 minutes. It's going to run at 400 degrees. So that should cook pretty fast. And I'm going to pull out the potato O'Brien because I did an experiment as usual with this New Wave oven and it just can't cook the potatoes in here. This is the second time I've tried to make them in there, and it just doesn't work. You have to cook these in a frying pan. More olive oil. And these potato O'Briens. I'll try to finish cooking them, crisping them up a little bit, because that New Wave oven, it doesn't do too much good. I don't know. I have the old New Wave oven. I use it all the time, cook chicken from frozen. But this new Wave oven, I think I'm going to use it for a boat anchor if I ever buy a boat. That little bit of oil that I have left there. That's going to go right here with the potatoes. Oil, garlic. So if you make potatoes O'Brien, and from now on when I make potatoes O'Brien, I'm going to make them in a frying pan. Don't try to use one of those fancy dehydrator or New Wave ovens. Still, the frying pan is the best way to make these. Okay, we can turn this off. Just let it sit for a minute. Salt. You know, potatoes get extra salt. Pepper. And then we can transfer these to a bowl. Good thing they're hot, because I could eat these right as they are right now. This looks and smells so delicious. There is your potato O'Brien. That's the show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.